This one is a 1967 Royal Lark. Comes with this cool case, leather, with a clasp in the front. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. This right here will loosen up the rollers underneath so you can pull the paper out, but it won't feed if it's down. As you can see, you have to flip it back for it to feed right. To set the margins are back here. You just push those in and set them where you want them. That's the right side. That's where we want it. Once you hear the bell, that means you're getting to the end of the margin and it's time to go back to the beginning. This will push it back to the beginning of the margin and space it. You can do a 0 space, a 1, or a 2. Right now we have it on a single space, but we'll show you the double space too. Put it on a double space. It's actually got a half in there in this one too, so you can go 1, 1.5, and 2. So that's 2 spaces. I misspelled lazy, but it's okay. This paper is really cheap, so it smudges on the print, but I'll get close so you can see it. So I need to get new paper. Take that out. Try the backspace, works good. Try the tab. Tab button's right there, and to set the tab, set a tab right here, you just press this down. It says set plus. I hit that down. Put that back on 1. Tab and it'll stop wherever you lock it in at. And to clear it, you just hit that up. And now you have no tabs. You get to the end of the margin, you can't type anymore. So you hit the margin release, and then you can type past the margin. Shift and shift lock. This top spool cover doesn't have the locking spring in it. It looks like it broke off, but it still sits in there. Just like that. Works nice and good. And that's it.